Hello, everybody. Welcome back to class. This is Mr. Pigeon coming to you live. Today, I have been, I was checking my email, and one of the things that we were asked to do yesterday is to set up some Google Sites for you, or actually Google Classroom, I'm sorry. And I was planning on doing that today, this morning, and I figured, hey, this is a good opportunity for me just to show you what we're going to do with this. So, I am going to jump right in here and kind of walk you through how to do this, okay? So this isn't just for me, this is for everybody else too. So here's what you do. First, you got to get yourself to Google, okay? Here we go. Now that we're over there, I'm already logged in, so I'm going to skip that process, okay? And what I'm going to do right here is find Google Classroom in what is the Google Apps. Oop, I did not do that right, sorry. Let me go back. Mr. Pigeon makes mistakes very often. Just ask any of my kids. They will be quick to point out what kind of mistakes I make and how often. So here we go. Here's Classroom. So we click on that. Now make sure that you already are signed in, like I said. So it said to you earlier. So if you notice right there, this screen pops up. Google Classroom helps classes communicate, saves time, stay organized, etc., etc. So I'm going to go ahead and click continue right here. Now, in the past, I've used Google Classroom, and I do enjoy it. So one thing that you'll notice right here is when you first go in and sign in, it's going to tell you that there's nothing there because you aren't signed up already, so you don't even have anything set up yet. So let's go ahead and do that. Just right here, if you're looking, create or join your first class. So we're going to click this, and instead of join, we're going to create. Now, for you students out there, once I get this set up, you're going to go through a different process, which I do also want to walk you through. So here we go. So we're going to create the class. All right. Now, once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and slide over here, Reddit, etc. Class name. I am going to put life skills. The reason being is because I already have Edmodo. And not that I don't like Google Classroom, I actually prefer it. It just was an issue that we ran into while trying to use it. So today, though, I'm going to go ahead and set that up. I'm just going to put my room number down because that's my room number at school. Here we go. Creates. And you guys are going to be surprised. It's that simple. So I've already created a classroom. So now what we need to do is, so what's new in the classroom, blah, blah, blah. We can go back and look at this at any time, just so you know. But it's going to give you some information there if you start going through some of those links. And we'll give you some information. Now, once you're here, you can play around with it. But right here, this would be to select the theme. I'm just going to do this for now. How about this? It's a life skills class, so maybe some kind of picture like this one. Sure. We need these skills, right? Using technology, right? So that's our theme for that. See how it's just switched out? You can always change this. You can even put a picture in. You can even put in GIFs. You can put JPEGs. You can put things like that as well. I'm not going to go through all that right now just because I don't want to make this video very long. Now what you'll notice right here is the class code. The class code that I've created is on right there for you. So now anyone interested in joining this class, in my life skills class, that's watching this video, all you have to do is go and set up your Google account and then add it to this class. If you do that, I can add you to this class, and for life skills, I'm going to start using this and posting up my other stuff here. Now, because I already have Edmodo and I have that for all my sections, it's going to make things kind of difficult going back and forth. Now, I can do that just to provide more resources, but let's just go by case basis and just talk to me and let me know what's going on, what you prefer. Most of you already prefer or have expressed to me that you like what we're doing. So I have that written down. That last one I believe is an L. So what I'm going to do is just go here. I am now, just to test it out, I'm going to sign in to a different account. Okay. And let's just use, I'm going to use another account. Okay. And what you're going to see right now, once I pull it back up, is that I am trying to go ahead and set up a separate account. And I don't want to give away my password. So that's why I switched off the screen right there. And so you guys aren't able to go and hack me, or anyone on the internet for that matter. Sorry for the silence. I'm just trying to log into a separate account, which for some reason is giving me a hard time. So give me 1 second. I'm still working on it here. I do apologize. I did not have that set up. So I do apologize about the delay, and also for this process here. All right, give me a moment. I am trying. See, does that work? And sorry about that. So anyway, getting back to what I was talking about a little bit earlier with my life skills class, I did want to tell you that it's life skills. Sorry. I did want to tell you that the life skills video that I posted yesterday too, I'm planning on posting one up following this video right now. So once I get done here with this, I'm planning on posting another video for my life skills class. So my other English lessons have been posted up, and what I will do, and it seems I'm having a little difficulty logging into another account at this point. So, but what I'll do, just so we are able to watch this process too, I'm gonna go ahead and share what I'm doing right now. Sorry, it did take me a little bit to get that set. So right now, what I'm gonna do, I'm logged into a separate account. I'm going to join a class, okay? So the process is different now. So join class. Now I'm gonna type in that code 43I6J. Now, for those of you that are wondering, Mr. Pigeon, you didn't show me how you got there. Well, here's how you do it. First off, you get to Google, okay? You are logged into an account. You log in, go here, just like we did before, same way, classroom. That's how I got here. I joined the class, took me here. Now I click join, and I'm going to be in the class. 43I6J5. Four, 3, 6, J5. Well, I believe there's an issue with this account, so I do apologize about that. But if there's a block on this account because it's a school account, so you will have to log in from a personal Gmail. It wouldn't really make much sense for me to log in and then be a part of the class that I'm also running. So I could try that, but my other account isn't working at this point. So what I'm going to do is join a class, type in the code 43I6J5. I believe that's a I-L. Sorry. Here we go. And that's how you would join the class. But it's not going to let me because I'm running the class. Anyway, So that's the process that you go through with this to set up an account. I'm sorry that I wasn't able to join the class, but if you'd like to, go ahead and do that. If you're running into any issues, please just email me. Let me know what's going on with you. All right. Thank you, and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Talk to you soon. Bye.